Exercise 8.1, first problem. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. AB equal to 24 centimeters, BC equal to 7 centimeters. Determine sin A cos A, sin C cos C. So given ABC is a triangle in which angle B equal to 90. Draw a right angle triangle ABC in which angle B equal to 90 and AB equal to what? 24 centimeters, BC equal to 7 centimeters. And you have to find sin A cos A, sin C cos C. Sin A means side opposite to A, that is BC by hypotenuse. But we know the length of AB and BC and we have to find length of AC. So in triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90. When we know AB and BC, to find AC we use Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AB? 24 square, BC 7 square. 24 square 576, 7 square 49, 625. So AC square equal to, by adding these two get 625. AC equal to root 625 equal to 25. Now I have to find sin A cos A, sin C cos C. Sin A means side opposite to angle A by hypotenuse. So side opposite to angle A is what here? BC, hypotenuse AC. So 7 by 25. And cos A means side adjacent to angle A. What is the side adjacent to angle A? AB by hypotenuse AC. 24 by 25. Now you are required to find sin C cos C. Sin C means, consider angle C now. Opposite side of angle C by hypotenuse. What is opposite side of angle C? AB by hypotenuse AC. That is 24 by 25. Cos C, side adjacent of angle C. Side adjacent to angle C. What is the side adjacent to angle C? BC and hypotenuse AC. So 7 by 25. Sin A 7 by 25, cos A 24 by 25, sin C 24 by 25, cos C 7 by 25. 8.1 second problem. In the adjacent figure, from the adjacent figure, find tan P minus cot R. What is the adjacent figure given here? Triangle PQR in which angle Q equal to 90, PR equal to 13, PQ equal to 12. And you have to find tan P minus cot R. Tan P, side opposite to angle P by side adjacent to angle P. Side opposite to angle P is not given here. We have to find QR. So in triangle PQR, angle Q equal to 90. So by Pythagoras theorem we get PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. 13 square equal to 12 square plus QR square. 169 equal to 144 plus QR square. QR square equal to what? 169 minus 144. Transposing this 145 get 169 minus 144 equal to 25. QR equal to root 25. Square root 25, 5. Now I have to find tan P minus cot R. Find tan P first. Tan P, side opposite to angle P by side adjacent to angle P. QR by PQ. 5 by 12. Cot R. We take this R. Side adjacent to angle R. Cot R means side adjacent to angle R. QR by opposite side of angle R. PQ. QR equal to 5. PQ equal to 12. Now you have to find tan P minus cot R. Tan P equal to what? 5 by 12. Cot R 5 by 12. 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12, 0. So tan P minus cot R equal to 0. 8.1, third problem. If sin A equal to 3 by 4, then find cos A and tan A. Sin A equal to 3 by 4 given. First, we have to draw a right angle triangle in which angle A is an acute angle. So you can take angle B as right angle. Sin A according to problem, sin A equal to 3 by 4, but from the diagram, sin A equal to side opposite to angle A by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. But sin A equal to 3 by 4 given, therefore BC by AC equal to 3 by 4. Let BC equal to 3K, AC equal to 4K. You have to find cos A and tan A. Cos A means adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse. That is, you have to find AB. To find AB, we use Pythagoras theorem. As we know, AC and BC, you can find AB directly. Angle B equal to 90. Therefore, AB square equal to hypotenuse AC square minus BC square. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, but AB square equal to AC square minus BC square. 4K whole square minus 3K whole square, 16K square minus 9K square, 7K square. So AB equal to root 7K square, root 7K, root 7 times K. Now I have to find cos A and tan A. Cos A means side adjacent to angle A, that is AB by hypotenuse AC, root 7K by 4K, root 7 by 4. Tan A means side opposite to angle A by side adjacent to angle A. So tan A means what? BC side opposite to angle A by adjacent to angle A. AB 3K by root 7K, 3 by root 7. Or you can take tan A equal to sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A. What is sin A? 3 by 4. By what is cos A? Root 7 by 4. 3 by 4 into 4 by root 7. You get 3 by root 7. So 8.1, fourth problem. Given 15 cot A equal to 8, find sin A and secant A. 15 cot A equal to 8 given. From 15 cot A equal to 8, we get cot A equal to 8 by 15. If you transpose 15, you get 8 by 15. Cot A means adjacent side of angle A by opposite side of angle A. So first we draw a right angle triangle with angle B equal to 90. Therefore angle A is an acute angle. Cot A means, from the diagram, cot A means what? Adjacent side of angle A by opposite side of angle A, that is AB by BC. But cot A equal to what given in the problem? 8 by 15. AB by BC equal to 8 by 15. Let AB equal to 8K, BC equal to 15K. And here you have to find sin A. Sin A means side opposite to angle A by hypotenuse. So first we have to find the length of the hypotenuse here. That is, as angle B equal to 90, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. That is Pythagoras theorem. What is AB? 8k whole square. BC 15k whole square. 64k square plus 225k square. 15k whole square means 15 into 15 225. 8 into 8 64. 64k square plus 225k square. By adding those to get 289k square. So AC square equal to 289k square. AC equal to root 289k square. Square root of 289 is what? 17k. So now sin A. Sin A means side opposite triangle A by hypotenuse, BC by AC. 15k by 17k, 15 by 17. Now secant A. Secant A means what? Hypotenuse by adjacent side of angle A. What is hypotenuse? AC. What is adjacent side of angle A? AB. So 17k by 8k, 17 by 8. 8.1, fifth problem. Given secant theta equal to 13 by 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Secant theta equal to 13 by 12 given. Secant theta means hypotenuse by adjacent side to angle theta. First, we have to draw a right angle triangle ABC or anything in which angle B equal to 90. Let angle AB theta. Now where theta is an acute angle here. Secant theta from the diagram. Secant theta means hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? AC by adjacent side of angle theta. That is AB. But in the given problem, secant theta is given as 13 by 12. So AC by AB equal to 13 by 12. Let AC equal to 13k, AB equal to 12k. Now we have to find sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosecant theta. So sin theta means side opposite theta by hypotenuse. Side opposite theta is what? BC. So first of all we have to find the length of BC. So angle B equal to 90 degrees. By using Pythagoras theorem we get BC square equal to AC square minus AB square. 13k whole square minus 12k whole square. 13k whole square means what? 116k square. 12k whole square 144k square. 169 minus 144 25k square. So BC square equal to 25k square. BC equal to root 25k square 5k. Now you have to find all the other trigonometric ratios. Sin theta, side opposite theta by hypotenuse, BC by AC, 5k by 13k, 5 by 13. Cos theta. So from this diagram you can find cos theta. Cos theta means side adjacent to theta by hypotenuse, or we know that secant theta equal to what given here? 13 by 12. We know that cos theta and secant theta are reciprocal to each other. Cos theta equal to 1 by secant theta. 1 by 13 by 12 equal to 12 by 13. Now we are going to find tan theta. We know that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta 5 by 13 by cos theta 12 by 13. 5 by 13 into 13 by 12. 5 by 12. Cot theta. We know that tan theta and cot theta are reciprocal to each other. That is tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. 1 by what is tan theta obtained? 5 by 12. equal to 12 by 5. Already secant theta is given. Now we have to find cosecant theta. We know that cosecant theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite side theta. But from sin theta also you can find cosecant theta, because sin theta and cosecant theta are reciprocal to each other. Cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. 1 by, what is sin theta? 5 by 13. That is 13 by 5.